Birla Opus presents Alldry Repair Master for general waterproofing and repair work. In this video we will show you step-by-step application process. Let's start. Surface preparation. Clean the surface using a wire brush to remove all loose particles. Wash the surface using water spray. Cracks less than 5 mm to be filled with Alldry Crack Master Paste. Cracks greater than 5 mm to be filled with Alldry Repair Master. Open the crack in V shape up to 8 to 10 mm. Clean the area with brush. Before application, make sure surface is in a surface saturated dry condition or semi-wet condition. Apply 1 coat of bond coat slurry into the crack. Let it dry and then fill the gap with repair mortar. Repair Master is a multi-purpose product used for bond coat, repair mortar and waterproofing application. Let's start with bond coat application. Check and remove the loose plaster. Clean the area with brush. Prepare the bond coat by mixing Repair Master and cement in a 1:1 ratio. Always add cement to Repair Master and mix until a uniform consistency is achieved. Before application, ensure surface is in surface saturated dry condition. Apply 1 coat of the bond coat. Repair mortar application. Repair mortar is prepared by mixing 3 parts sand with 1 part cement. Add 7% Repair Master on cement weight basis. Add water as per consistency. Apply repair mortar over the bond coat applied portion and level it. Waterproof coating application. Waterproof coating is prepared by mixing 1 part Repair Master with 2 part of cement. Always add cement to Repair Master and mix until a uniform consistency is achieved. Before application, ensure surface is in surface saturated dry condition. Apply the first coat of the waterproof coating in a horizontal or vertical direction. Let it dry for 4 to 6 hours. Apply the second coat perpendicular to the first coat. Let the waterproof coating dry for next 2 to 3 days and then cover it with screed. Repair Master provides features such as waterproofing, repair, crack filling, delays corrosion. For bond coat, repair mortar and waterproof coating application, always use recommended mixing ratios for best results.